Yo, what's up and welcome back mga kawiti. So here we are again at Bitcoin. So kahapon, sinabi na natin yon guys na downtrend na siya. As you can see guys, tumama na siya sa resistance level na all-time high na 111,000. So guys, sasabihin ko sa inyo, I don't have any script or anything like that. Every day yan. So I'm just impromptuing my speech. So, and especially my analysis. So tinitingnan natin yan before we talk in front of you. But syempre, ang ating mga analysis ay medyo tumatama na. So ngayon, nagkaroon na tayo ng break of structure. Ang tinatawag, bumagsak na siya, nabasag na to. So we are on a downtrend. But syempre, papalo pa yan, may konting pullback kataas, pero pababa na siya by next week. So if I were you, not a financial advice, I will gather up my money and get ready for the big dip next week. So kasi downtrend na yan, nakita nyo naman guys, ceiling, resistance, hindi na kaya. Resistance, so downward trend momentum. But of course, meron tayong support level. Ang hinahanap natin is the first. So sa coins.ph, bumaba tayo sa below 6 million, may posibilidad pa na bumalik ng 5.5 million yan. Kasi sa nakikita ko, nasa 100,000, 101 to 102 ang support. Pag nabasag pa niyan, babalik tayo sa 96,000. Pero yun nga guys, you just have to get ready. Next week will be a bigger pullback. And siyempre, babagsak pa rin tayo kasi marami na naman negative news. And katulad na sinabi ko, nagkaroon na tayo ng double top. So, and ito, magkakaroon na naman ng double top. So, pababa na naman kasi downtrend na siya guys. Slanting. And then this will be the next support. So, I see you guys next week. Anyway, another quick reminder from the Witstyle channel. Now, kita ko lang to. So, guys, I want to share to you. So, post nyo na lang and I'll have my video. Okay? So, guys, napaka-important ng fathers sa families because not only they provide, they protect, they shelter. If those things are not in, kahit isa doon. So, kasi syempre, guys, kailangan maging consistent presence, showing up, not just obligation as a father. You should share your time, share your blessings, share